Really, Wild? You think you can win on that rust bucket?
We'll see who's laughing at the finish line.
You're amazing!
Don't crash now, Bogo, or you'll lose for sure!
That rusty junkyard bike is gonna make you lose, Wild! Thank you all so much. Your support means everything to me. I am truly grateful.
Nick, please be okay.
We are the champions!
He enjoyed saying no, didn't he? Laughing right in my face.
Forget him, Nick. It's just a dress.
You know, if you really wanted carrots, maybe Santa will bring it early this year.
It's just so beautiful, Nick. I've never seen anything like it.
Looks like the loser won't get the money to buy that dress.
You'll see, Bogo and Tara. I'll make you lose the next race.
It's time to come back and win the championship. You're gonna lose again this time, Nick.
Just you wait. Out of the way, Buffalo! Hey! He crashed! Thank you, everyone! Thank you for believing in me!
Let's go! Let's go!
We did it, Judy! We actually won! This is your reward, or you truly deserve it.
Go on, Judy. Buy the dress you love.
Thank you so much for this beautiful dress.
You'll never beat me, Nick.
We won!
And the race begins! Let's move it, Bones! Come on, push harder! Whoa, steady now. Don't fall. Faster! Don't look down! They're gaining on us, Chief! Move! Yeah! We did it! Thank you to my incredible partner here, and thank you to all the fans! I am the champion! Ugh, second place again. Look at them. What a disgrace.
I want my money back!
Nick, I know this looks bad, but there's a special medicine deep in that forest. It can make your ostrich healthy and strong again.
time, Nick. You're gonna lose just like last time.
Congratulations, everyone!
Come on, faster! Keep up if you can, Wheels. Come on, push harder! We're pulling ahead, steady strides. Come on, move it! We're almost there! Stay.
That's what I'm talking about.
Congratulations, everyone!
They totally clipped his wing on the final turn. Thank you, Judy. You saved us.
We won! Thank you all so much!
Rusty junk of yours? You really think it can keep up with Bogo's beat?
Yeah! Let's go, Nick! Win this race!
Move over, Fox! Not a chance! Nick, you weren't born to race on this track! Thank you all for coming out. Your support means everything to Bogo's.
We are the champions!
Get that junk pile off the track!
Wow, look at that! It's beautiful!
I'm gonna win the upcoming car race.
All that work, and now she's perfect. I'm ready for the race.
This is the second off-road vehicle race.
You won't be able to beat me this time either.
Let's go! Come on, everybody, let's hear it! Yeah!
It stretched to its limit. Front wheels climb, rear wheels bounce and jolt. Nick's blue truck bounces but maintains. Out of the way, old man! Nick! Thank you all so much! Your support means everything to me!
Yes! He did it! Way to go, Nick!
Well, look who finally made it to the podium. The loser's podium, that is. Better luck next time, Chief.
This is the ring, proving our love.
Nick, it's beautiful! I love it so much!
I'm glad you think so. I love you, Carrots.